What's up, guys? Dr. Biandella from Balanced Bodywork Clinic. Today we have Sarah, and she injured herself working out. So some low back, hip flexor, kind of glute piriformis, and she also got some neck and some upper back stuff going on from doing a lot of computer work. But we are going to go ahead and take care of this today. She's already had a 30-minute massage, or I'm sorry, 60-minute massage, just to kind of loosen up the muscles. So this is actually after the third or fourth time we've been treating it, and it's been doing a lot better. So we're just going to kind of double check it today, see how it's doing, and go from there. So come on over here. Let's go face up. I'm going to check her neck first. Good. So let's get this. Just a couple other. Good. Come all the way down. Good. All right, let's go face down. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to check her mid back here. So let's get this here. Some upper back restrictions. Good. Good. And then in here too. Good. Okay. All right, so are you still feeling any kind of pain when I'm pushing it all?
No.
Okay. So she was getting it right here in the SI joint, and then kind of the top of the glute here. So let's just check the range of motion here. Looks good. Okay, let's get it good. Face me on this side. So I'm going to get the lower lumbars here and bring it over here, Amanda. Okay. Zoom in. Good. Other side. Good. All right. Face up. Okay. And then this is the kind of to finish it off here. So we're just going to kind of do some distraction where we're going to get the femoral head to kind of come out of the hip joint there, and it relieves a lot of pressure. And it's going to 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. Come on up. See how that feels.
So much better.
Good.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to like, comment, tag your friends if you know anybody that can benefit from our services. But that's about it. Thanks a lot.